Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can use Instagram stories voice changer feature. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want this step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let me show you guys how you guys can do it. So first step is you want to click on the profile picture at the bottom of your screen and click on the plus sign at the top and go on versus story. Once you go on story, you want to go on camera. Once you go on camera, over here it's going to show you all these filters. So you want to swipe all the way to the right over here until you see the browse effect. Once you see it, click on browse effect. At the top versus search, click on it and search for voice effect like this. After you search for voice effect over here, you can see the first option versus voice effect by Instagram. You want to click on it and click on try it. Now once you're over here, as you guys can see, the voice effect is over here. Now you can choose whichever effect you want over here and record yourself for videos. You can use helium, giant, vocalist, announcer, or robot. You can use whichever voice you like over here, and after you use it, you can post it on your Instagram story, or you can even download it. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can use your Instagram stories voice changer. You just have to search for it and then try it. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Until then, stay safe and peace out.